Hi everybody. I hope everyone's doing well. I haven't been with you for a couple of weeks. The reason being is that um, been busier and things like that. But I wanted to do a quick video on AI using ChatGPT and see if it's possible to write a program in Color Basic using AI. So let's type in write a short program in Color Basic. Press enter. So let's see what it comes up with. So it writes a program in what appears to be Color Basic. Sure, here's a simple Color Basic program that counts from 1 to 10 and displays each number on the screen. So let's see how accurate this is. For I equals 1 to 10, print number. And then we have, in quotation marks, the word number. And then we have this here, which I guess keeps it from going sideways. And then we have the number I from the variable, and next I, and then it says done. So this is right. Now the thing about this is that I did a video on this yesterday, but I couldn't post it because I had other personal information displayed somewhere else on the screen, and I didn't want to share that with the world, so I'm making another video. But I didn't think that AI ChatGPT was going to do anything at all as far as producing anything in Color Basic because, it's from 1982. It's not really well known. But it gave me, yesterday, it gave me here, if I move over to here, you can see these previous chats that I had with it yesterday. So it did hello world, go to 10, write a short program in Color Basic. Of course, it's going to give you a different output every time. And then I got into graphics. And the funny thing is that I had to keep adding terms in up here to the message because at first it omitted P mode and screen altogether. So if I go back here, I'll show you an example of that. Write a short graphics program in Color Basic, and it is not always accurate, but it does work. So let's see sometimes it leaves things out, and sometimes it does things that are outside of range or too small. So let's see what it came up with. Screen 10, but mind you, there's no P mode. For I equals 0 to 63, and then it wants to P set I. So that's going to be a white diagonal line. But we have the color outside of the brackets, and 1 does not denote white as far as I know. 1 is another color. 5 is white. So there's a little problem here. I don't know if you can put the color outside the bracket, and it does not point to white. and there's no P mode. So if we wanted to fix that, we would have to get more specific and edit the chat, write a short graphics program in Color Basic using P mode, and it'll reprocess the same thing over again. So this time it sets up a P mode. We don't have a PCLS. We have a color one, and then it does a line. It's completely different. Some line statements. And so you can write programs using AI. Now, I think this is pretty amazing. You have to be at least a intermediate level programmer to pick up on errors and be able to amend them up here. Sometimes the programs just don't work at all, but I give credit to this because it's doing something, and it gives an explanation down here of what P mode is and so on, but it's not completely accurate. Now, P mode, I use P mode 1.1 all the time. And our resolution is not right here. 128 by 96. It's 254 by 192 or 190. So that's not right. But it does work. And I don't know how complicated you can get with this. I'm sure you can get as complicated as you want, but the programs are not always going to be perfect. Apparently here I can copy and paste directly into the terminal if you have an emulator. Unfortunately, I can't emulate right now and try this out, because if I do that, I will lose my video capture. I need to get better video capture because I'm just using Xbox video capture right now. And if I try to open up another window, I believe it will cancel the recording, will stop. Don't know why, but because I would, copy and paste this, see how well it works. You could check, it will give you error codes and so on. So you guys might want to play around with this. I think it's kind of a neat idea. I just started using ChatGPT because I'm taking a college science course that requires me to make lesson plans for science, and this is what they wanted me to use to make the lesson plans. You can do all sorts of things. I really haven't experimented any farther than that with AI, but a lot of people don't even know what it is. Sometimes you hear about it on the news, but it stands for artificial intelligence, and it's always a controversial topic, especially in colleges and schools, because they don't want students using it to write term papers and essays and things like that, which you can do. And if you do try doing that, that's plagiarism, and if they catch you, you can get in big trouble. You can be expelled, and if you're not too intelligent and you think you could pass that by a teacher, it won't, because they have plagiarism checkers, and the structure of the essay will have some errors, and it will be robot-like. It won't be, they'll be able to tell, I'm sure. I haven't tried it, but anyways, so let's get some messages going on this. I want to see what my viewers, people in the Tier City world, think about this. I bet you nobody's ever tried this before. I'll bet you. If anybody has, then okay, we can talk about that. But I don't know of anybody that's using AI to write color basic programs or anything like that. So I'm going to end it here. I hope you enjoyed this video, and I'll see you back another time. Thank you for watching.